Hi learners, welcome to MS Easy class. In this class, here we are going to learn the nouns and the kinds of nouns. The last video we briefly learned about the nouns. That what do we mean by noun? So noun is nothing but noun is the name of a person, a place or a thing. Name of a person, then place, okay, place and thing, okay. So name of a person, place or a thing. So when we talk about the name of a person, we mean to say that it tells us a particular name of a person. So particular name of a person is or can be Ram, and your name also can be. Then secondly, name of a place. Secondly, the name of a place. So when we talk about the name of a place, particular name of a place. So the name of a place can be Delhi, Mumbai, Patna, and so on. Okay. And then the third one is the name of a thing. So the name of a thing can be pen, pencil, and so on. Okay. So we learned in the last video briefly about the noun, that what do we understand or what is noun. The noun is the name of a particular person, place or a thing. So under the person comes the name of a person, means Ram, it can be your name, and under the place it comes about the place, that can be Delhi, Mumbai, New York, Canada, California, Delhi, Patna, Kolkata, and so on. Then under the thing, when we talk about the name of a thing, that is also noun. But when we talk about the name of a thing, that means we mean to say a pen, pencil, paper, or book, or any other materials that can be seen around us. Okay, so that is how the noun is said to be. Okay, and here the third one we are going to see here is the third one we are going to see here. Okay, the third thing we talked about the name of a thing, and that is a particular thing that can which we see in and around us. Okay, so that is the three types of according to definition we learned that a noun is the name of a place, name of a thing, or name of a person. Okay, now here we'll see there are five kinds of noun. There are five kinds of noun. So here we'll see that there are five kinds of noun, and five kinds of noun, which are they? Here the five kinds of noun we'll see. The first one is proper noun, second is common noun, and the third is collective noun, and fourth is material noun, and the fifth is abstract noun. So okay, beforehand I have again just summarized these five kinds of noun into a short form. Okay, I have just summarized these five kinds of noun. Okay, these five kinds of noun I have summarized into this form, and that is P C C M A. Okay, P C C M A. Here PCCMA. P stands for proper noun, C stands for common noun, and another C stands for collective noun, and M stands for material noun, and A stands for abstract noun. Okay, I'm sure you are getting it. Now we'll see what do we mean by a proper noun. That is first one. What do we mean by a proper noun? Okay, so here proper noun, when we talk about the proper noun, that means this proper noun means it talks about a particular person or particular place or a particular thing. Particular place, particular thing, and particular person. Okay, particular person. So when it tells us about a particular place and particular thing and particular person, so here in this proper noun means it tells us about a particular place. So what can be the particular place here? Particular place can be, again I say, maybe UK and any other name of a particular place. And the second is here thing, particular thing, the name of a particular thing. So the name of a particular thing is, I think just beforehand I had told you the name of a particular thing is, can be pen, pencil, paper, and so on, which you can see around you. Okay, that is particular thing. Then again here the name of a particular person. So the name of a particular person can be any other name that maybe you are maybe Ram, you are Ram or Sita, and so on. So when we talk about particular person, we mean to say that it tells us or it indicates us about the particular person's name. And these three things mainly talking about or explaining to us about these three things: name of a particular person, particular place, or particular thing. Okay, so these three things only tells us about the proper noun. So that is called a proper noun. So a proper noun, okay, the name given to a particular person, particular place, or a thing is a proper noun. Okay, and now second, the common noun. A common noun is a name shared in common by everyone of the same class, यानी कि जाति or group. Here common noun means, common noun is same जाति और group यानी कि समूह में, which explains to us or telling us about the in common group. It can be human, animal, okay, animal. It tells us about a particular group. It tells us a particular group. Okay, so it tells us a particular group, and when it tells us a particular group, we mean that it tells us about a common noun. So this is common noun. Okay, it doesn't actually tells us, it doesn't actually tell us about the what it doesn't tell us with a name, but it indicates to us only a particular group. So what can the particular group? We mean to say cow. So this is, we do not know about which cow we are talking about. In the same way, we talk about people, but we do not know about which people. In the same way, we talk about bird, but we do not know which bird. Okay, we do not know which word. Here we talk about cow, here we talk about a per people, and here we talk about bird. So we tells, I mean it tells us only a common, in the common it tells us about a cow, about a bird, and about a people, but it doesn't actually telling us with name, and therefore it tells us in a common, and so this is called common noun. Okay, it tells us only in common, but doesn't actually clarify about the which cow, which bird, and which people, and that's how this is called common noun. Okay, are you getting it? Yeah. So here the the third is collective noun. The third one is a collective noun. And here collective noun, what do we understand by a collective noun? Collective noun, a collective noun is a name given to a number of things regarded as a whole, group, or collection. Okay, so maybe you are playing cricket, so that is also, it tells us about a team. Okay, that is called collective group. Maybe army, a group of cricket team, a group of football team, a group of hockey team, and so on. So it tells us about a particular group with team, collective. So it tells us about a team. So in the team, there are many players, and with the combination of many players becomes a team. The team of cricket, the team of football, the team of hockey, and the team of badminton, and so on. So that is how it tells us about a collective noun. So when it tells about the collection of any group of people, and a group of people as a whole, that is called collective noun. So in the collective noun can be a bundle of pen, a bundle of matchbox. So these all are coming under the collective noun, and that is how we call it collective noun. Collective means as a whole, collection, group. Okay, when we bring them together as a team or as a collection, that is called a collective noun. That is like our team won the match. So imagine, so there is a team. Who won the match? Our team. In the same way, Indian army fought bravely. So which army fought bravely? Indian army. So army, a single person is not the group of army, but the army is the group of people. Those are army men. They are forming one group, and that is called Indian army fought bravely. At the same way, 3 girls of our class are absent today. 3 girls of our class. So imagine we are talking about class as a whole. So class is made of students. Class is made of students, and that is how it tells us about the collective noun, about which tells us as a whole, when all people come together and sitting in one class. All students when come together and sitting in a class, they form a class, and that is how collectively they come together, and that's why we call it collective noun. Okay, and the fourth one is a material noun. The fourth one is material noun. Here the fourth one is material noun. So what do we mean by material noun? A material noun is the word used for the substance of which things are made. Material noun. Material means that is padarth. In Hindi we say no padarth. So material noun is like a gold, then wood. It can be wood. Wood means like lakdi we could talk about, and like a silver and so on. It can be material, can be oil, okay, that oil, sugar, and so on. Okay, so that is how we call it material noun. A material noun is the word used for the substance of which things are made of. Which things are made of? We make chain. So as a whole thing, as a gold, it by itself we cannot make it chain. So first we have to melt it. No, by melting we make the chain, and that is how we call it material noun. Now the fifth one is abstract noun. Fifth one is abstract noun. Here when we talk about abstract noun, we mean to say by feeling. Okay, abstract means which we cannot see, which we cannot, okay, cannot see, but we feel it. We feel it, which we cannot see but we feel it. That is called abstract noun. Abstract means we cannot see, only we can feel. So like honesty. Honesty we cannot see. Can we see honesty? We cannot see honesty. And honesty only we can feel. Happiness. Can we see happiness? We cannot see happiness. Happiness here. Happiness. Happiness we can only feel. We cannot see. Only we can feel. And that's how this is called abstract noun. Okay. So here we learned all these 5 types of noun in a simple way. And the last one is here abstract noun. So like honesty is the best policy, as we say, no. Laughter is the best medicine. Laughter we cannot see. Again, everybody shuns poverty. So here poverty means garibi. We call, no, garibi cannot be seen but can be felt. And that is how today we learned the 5 types of noun. Okay. So thank you for joining this class, and if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel so that more and more videos we can provide for you and we can help you out in your studies life. Thank you. Take care.